Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to clean up the deployments which you have made and then prepare for the next session. So to do the cleanup, very simple. You just need to remove the deployments. You should not be removing any of the one above. So if you're going to remove pods, the replica set is going to create those pods which you have removed. If you're going to remove replica set, the deployment is going to create, another replica set and then create pods for that. So do remember that if you want to remove the deployment, you have to remove the deployment which actually removes the replica set as well as pods which is assigned to it, so that the entire thing will be destroyed. So do remember that. So all you have to do is like control delete deployment and then the name of the deployment. So I'm just going to pick the deployment name from here. And this is going to destroy the deployment. Just going to export this back again. Let's just connect that. And you can see the deployment is deleted. As you can see that it's gone now. So this was pretty much what I want to show you on this video. Thank you again for watching this. I'll see you on the next one.